ChatGPT Shopping, and it's about to change everything you know about online shopping. You just tell ChatGPT, "Hey, I need wireless headphones for the gym, under 200 bucks, and they need to be sweatproof." ChatGPT Shopping has two main features: shopping research, which creates personalized buyer's guides, and instant checkout, which lets you actually buy products without leaving the chat. Here's how it works. You ask ChatGPT a shopping question. It automatically suggests using shopping research, or you can select it from the tools menu. Then it asks smart questions. What's your budget? Who's this for? Any deal breakers? If you have ChatGPT memory turned on, it already knows things about you, like if you're a runner or have a small apartment, and personalizes recommendations. While you're chatting, ChatGPT is working behind the scenes. It scans retail websites across the internet. You can get feedback in real time. Mark products as not interested or more like this, and the AI refines the search instantly. After a few minutes, boom, you get a comprehensive buyer's guide with the top 3 to 5 products, explaining why each one matches your needs, the key differences, and honest pros and cons. Now here's where it gets really interesting. For supported products, currently from Etsy and over 1 million Shopify stores like Glossier, Skilms, and Spanx, there's a buy button. Tap it, review your order, confirm shipping and payment, and done. You just bought something without leaving ChatGPT. OpenAI built this using something called the Agentic Commerce Protocol with Stripe, so your payment info is encrypted and secure. And get this, ChatGPT acts as your agent. It doesn't take a cut from you. Merchants pay a small fee, but your prices stay the same. So why does this matter? 3 reasons. 1, it's unbiased. Unlike Google Shopping, which is full of paid ads, or Amazon, which pushes its own brands, ChatGPT's recommendations are organic. 2, it saves massive amounts of time. A Yale University study found that AI chatbots let you describe needs with way more detail than keyword searches. Quick tech breakdown. ChatGPT Shopping is powered by a specialized version of GPT-5 Mini. That's OpenAI's latest model, trained specifically for shopping tasks using reinforcement learning. This isn't just regular ChatGPT with a plugin. It's been trained to read trusted retail sites, evaluate reviews, understand product specifications, and make balanced comparisons without bias. It's basically a product research PhD that works for you 24/7. And with 800 million people using ChatGPT every week, yeah, retailers are paying attention. Shopping research is available to everyone, so here's your key takeaway. ChatGPT Shopping turns product research from a multi-hour, multi-tab nightmare into a simple conversation. It's unbiased, it's fast, and for supported merchants, you can buy without ever leaving the chat. If you want to try it, just open ChatGPT and ask a shopping question. It's available right now.